Your brain doesn't hate hard work, it just hates starting it. Once you begin, it's not even that bad. But your brain, it acts like you're trying to climb Everest in flip-flops. But what if I told you, you don't have to push through hard stuff, you just have to trick yourself into starting. Trick 1, the 5-second rule. Count 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and move before your brain talks you out of it. Don't think, just start. That's the hack. Trick 2, the 2-minute rule. Tell yourself you'll do the task for just 2 minutes. That's it. The brain agrees because it sounds easy, but here's the plot twist. Once you start, you usually keep going. Trick number 3, turn it into a game. Humans love dopamine. Score points, set timers, beat your past self. Make it so fun, your brain forgets it's hard. Don't fight your brain, outsmart it. Use momentum, not motivation. Start small, move fast, win daily. If this helped, hit that like button so your future self thanks you. And subscribe for more tricks to outsmart your brain.